Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Have you treated yourself lately? Well, I think you should with this wonderful, luxurious 7-piece comforter set by Anluoer. I absolutely enjoy getting into these cozy, soft plush sheets. It helps me sleep at night when they are so breathable and comfy. And nothing's worse than having fitted sheets that are tough to get on, but these have ample material to tuck underneath, making it easy to make the bed every day. I'm excited to use this creamy white 7-piece comforter set and switch it up by bringing warm tones and different pillows to my set. This natural cream white is beautiful to accessorize with many different colors. Well, it's time you treat yourself to this cozy, plush, soft comforter set. I know you'll love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.